Here I have TCL 30, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device right now. So what should you do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, let's turn our TCL off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on you can see TCL logo, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. After that you will appear in the menu like this. Here on this menu you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option wipe data factory reset. Then select factory data reset. After a few seconds message data wipe complete appears, and after this message you have to select an option reboot system now and your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.